Sorry about the late video, but I got this package Sunday. And before I go to bed, I'm just going to take this, open it up real quick, see what we got here. This is one of the control arms, upper control arms of my car. This is actually for a police interceptor, a 2000, but also fits my car. And this is more of a heavy-duty version with polyurethane ball joints and bushings. Let's take this plastic off so we can take a better look at it. Okay. Polyurethane bushings and polyurethane ball joints. And everything's reinforced. Then we got the cotter pins and bolts for that. Just one came in. I got the second one, the other side is coming in, and then the lower control arms are coming in too. This one came in early, because this one was sent from a different vendor than the other three parts. But that's all I needed to do. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. And I'll see y'all next video. And I hope y'all enjoy y'all 4th of July. Till next video.